Hi, my name is Sandy, and I'm a graduate student at Lindenwood University, majoring in web design. And for my degree, I'm building a custom WordPress theme using Underscores and Elementor Pro, and using UX UI techniques to make editing easier and by placing all the editable regions in one place. If you've ever used third-party WordPress themes, free or paid, you will know that the editable regions are usually placed in different places, and sometimes they're hard to find, and you need thorough documentation and support to seek help. So my project aims to solve the problem of buying third-party themes by introducing some UX UI strategies to easily make a custom WordPress theme to your liking. My project audience is intended for freelance web designers and also WordPress theme developers, or anyone interested in building WordPress themes or building websites with WordPress. So in my video, I'll go over how to create a custom admin menu, just like this one here, and with all the editable regions in one place, like page templates, headers, footers, off-canvas menus, style CSS. So they're all in one place right here, and placing all your CSS and IDs and classes in one place as well. And that's going to be, this is just an example here that I already have set up where the customization starts here. So all your IDs and classes are all in one place in the style CSS. So first of all, we are going to download Underscore. So you go to underscores.me, and we're going to put in the theme name. Now, Underscores is great because if you're designing for your clients, you want your theme to be named the same as your client's name. So let's go ahead and say we're just going to call it theme name for right now. You can use a slug if you want. I'm not going to. Author name, use my name, and my URL. In description, we're just going to call it example theme for testing. Alright, and I'm going to sassify that. I click on that and generate a zipped download. I'm going to save the file. Theme name. Alright, I'm going to put it in here. Okay, so this is a fresh install of WordPress, and I already have Elementor Pro and admin menu editor already installed in here, and those are the two plugins that we're going to be working with. But first of all, we're going to install that new theme. So we're going to add new, upload our theme. How is it? Theme name. We're going to activate that. Okay, so here's our new theme, and this gives us the opportunity where we can create a thumbnail, which it's blank right now, but I love doing this. I love designing little thumbnails and giving all the theme details uh, with the details of my clients, and so it's like total custom for them. Um, so let's see here, and then we're gonna go. I'll show you the plugins that we're gonna be needing. We're gonna be needing Elementor Pro and Admin Menu Editor. So those are the two plugins that we're gonna need, but they're already installed here. So I'm going to show you, even if you're already familiar with Elementor, there's this, when you get Pro, there's a little menu item called Templates here, and Theme Builder, which has, you can design headers, footers, single post pages. But for this example, I'm going to, I already have some headers in here that are already designed. You can also use some of the ones that come with Elementor Pro, like these. I have some footers in here already too, so we're gonna just I'm just gonna use these for the example. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out Theme Builder for a second. Actually, I'm gonna open that up in another tab so I can grab those URLs, and we're gonna start creating our admin menu here. So this is one of the UX UI strategies, to put out all the editable regions in one place. Because, like I said, you know, when you buy those Third-party templates, they usually have those editable regions in different areas, whether it's like the control panel, so it usually has its like own control panel up here or something, but you still have to go to like appearance, theme editor, customize. Even Elementor has different things where you have to go through to find places to edit. So we're going to go to admin menu editor settings, and we're going to start creating our admin menu. So the first thing I want to do, back with this example one that I already set up, you could even give it a cute little custom icon, which I gave one for my, that made the icon my business logo. So we're going to start doing like page templates. So that way when we go to create page templates, they're all listed in one place. So let's go back to the new install, and we're going to create a new menu item. We'll call it page templates. And we're going to use custom URL. We're going to grab that URL here in theme builder. So we're going to go to single page here, and we're going to grab this right here starting at admin.php. Grab that URL. We're going to go back and paste it right here. Then we're going to give that role to administrator, and we're going to save. So then we have we started our little admin menu up here, and I'm just going to put a little spacer between here, between the dashboard and my menu, so that we can differentiate that, make it nice. So save changes, and it gives us a little space there. So this is my menu. We know it's my menu. Okay, so next one is going to be headers. So we're going to create a headers menu item. We'll call it headers. And we leave that as custom URL. Let's go back to theme builder and select header. Okay, grab that URL, copy, and we'll paste it right in there and give that role to administrator. Save changes. And we're going to keep doing this. And then also for the footers, let's go back, grab it for the footers. And you can create as many as you want. Whatever makes it easy for you as the designer to place all your editable regions in one place. It can be whatever you use on a daily basis when you're designing websites. For me, I I'll probably add more, but I do use headers, footers, and page templates a lot with Elementor, and I don't have any off-canvas templates saved at the moment. Or do I? Let's see. The pop-ups. Oh, I do. Okay. So here, I'm going to grab this. Alright. I'm going to grab that because that's under pop-ups. And these pop-ups, you can create mobile menus, which is fabulous. And go back. Oh, wait. Go back to settings. And I'm going to call it off-canvas menus, just in case I want to design more than just one, so I can easily go back there. Let's move that down below footers, save changes, and then for the last thing in this tutorial, I'm going to create an admin menu for the style.css. So let's go ahead and open that up a new tab, and we're going to grab, let's see, we got to put it to style.css. Make sure we get that URL for that. And go back, and we're going to call that style CSS, paste, admin, and save. Okay, so here we have 5 menu items in our custom menu here. So when we just click on that, it's going to go straight to where we need it to go. There we go. Go straight to single page. Close that out. go straight to footers, close that out. Just go straight to the style CSS, and there you have it. So that's one strategy, is to create the custom menu. So the next strategy would be then to put all of your, so this is the style CSS that comes with underscores. It's very lightweight, it's great, and all your theme information is here that you can customize. Underscores comes with some really good generic styling that takes care of a lot of corrections that you need for browsers and stuff. So it's done all that for you, and then you can go and put in your own custom CSS, which I like to put at the top because then it's easy for me to find. So back here, I wanted to show you, this is the sample one I already had set up. So here's my customization. I put it as customization starts here. So I'm going to copy, I'm going to select all of this. Where's the end of it? Here, customization ends here. So I'm going to go back up and copy all of this. Copy, and I'm going to put it in the new WordPress install and paste it there. So that way I know that this is all my CSS. The customization starts here and it ends here, and then I know that everything left or below that is going to be from underscores. So here is where you can put all your custom CSS, and you can put your custom CSS in Elementor elements. So when we go to, say, let's go to page templates. Oops. Save this. Okay, so we're going to go to page templates, and let's say we want to edit the sample page. Okay, so let's say that I want to add custom CSS to this entire region right here. So all this outlined in this blue border, and we go to advanced, and then we put in, you know, a custom ID and a custom class. So let's just call this, I don't know, section 1 and section 1. So we have this, we pressed update, and then we go back to our style CSS, and we put in, let's see, I've made some sections called header, footer, sidebar, page content. So in the page content, I would put in like section 1 and then section 1, just for an example. And those can be styled later however you like, and then you update the file. So those are the two strategies for this type of, for building a custom WordPress theme using underscores and Elementor. So hopefully this will come in handy for some of you who no longer want to use third-party themes, as I don't want to use third-party themes anymore, and customizing them can be a nightmare sometimes. So, so I would love your feedback. If you could provide any feedback on, not necessarily my video, but the strategies used in here, the UX UI strategies. Follow along with the video if you have, and try it yourself. And then I appreciate any and all feedback. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.